What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Zara haul. These are all things that I picked up in the Zara sale. It's definitely still running at the moment. I can't wait to show you guys what I picked up. So if you are interested in watching a Zara haul, then just stay tuned. So I have my big Zara box here. I'm going to open it for you guys and unbox what's inside. I picked up a decent amount of things, that's why I thought a haul would be appropriate. And I'm gonna do a bit of a try on for you guys as well. Oh, I love when everything's like folded so nicely inside. I did 2 separate orders because one of the items was out of stock, and then when I went and checked the website later on, it was in stock, so I'll show you these 2 things. This was the thing that was out of stock and then came back into stock. It's this gorgeous dress. It's a v-neck and it's this gorgeous like blue and like rust color. There's red in it. It's such a pretty dress, and then there's like a bit of cream in it, and it kind of has like a frill on the front, like a almost like a tutu type situation going on here. I just really liked the look of this, and I thought it would be a really nice dress to wear in the autumn time, and definitely a summer dress as well. Like, it's a really gorgeous pattern. I love these type of dresses, and I just thought maybe with a belt around the middle it would look so nice. So that is the first thing I picked up. It was originally $39.95. I got this for like $19.95 or $17.95, something like that. Ooh, baby monitor was going off, but no, it's still asleep, so I don't know why it was doing that. Anyway, I really like this dress and I cannot wait to wear it. And like I said, it's definitely a transitional piece for me. I have dresses like this from Zara for years, and I just wear them like season upon season. I just love them. The other thing I picked up in this order was just kind of like an impulse purchase. And it's this little green top. It has a crisscross back on it, and I just picked it up because it was like €7. It was originally $19.95. I picked it up in an extra small, and I picked up the dress in an extra small as well. Probably should have gone with a small for this because it just looks a little bit small, but I don't know, it has like the crisscross back in it, so you might be able to loosen it up, and you just never know with Zara size. And I find some things like fit really well in one size, and then sometimes you have to size up, sometimes you have to size down. It's hit or miss. So I'll be interested to see what that looks like on. It's really nice, and it's like a satiny kind of material. It's really soft. I thought it'd be really nice in the summertime, which is some high-waisted jeans or just maybe like a skirt or something. Who knows? So now I'm just going to get into the initial big order, and the first thing I see is this pink shirt. I love a flannel shirt, and I kind of had an idea in mind. Obviously, I'm going back to work in a couple of weeks, and I don't know if I'm going to be in the office or working from home. I have no idea yet until I actually go into work. So I picked up a few things that are office appropriate, but I can also wear like day in, day out. I just saw this really nice pink flannel shirt. Now I picked it up in a size medium, which I think I did a good job picking that size because I wanted it oversized, wanted it like too fitted. I love this style. It is, oh, it doesn't tell me the original price, but I'll write the codes of everything below, and I'll try and find the prices for you guys. This is a really nice sized shirt. I thought this would be kind of cute if I wore like a black dress with tights and boots and just wore this over top, or you could tuck it into jeans. My work is kind of smart casual, so they don't really mind what you wear as long as it's not tracksuit bottoms or workout gear. After that, you can kind of wear what you want. Some people do wear jeans, but not a lot. I'm aiming more for like dresses and tights, skirts and tights, and you know, trousers, pants, that kind of thing. But I just thought that this shirt was really nice. I love this color pink. I have a plain pink shirt from Zara. It's a poplin shirt, so it's a bit different to this. This is like flannel material. It's quite thick as well, so I really like that. This was such an impulse purchase for me. I have no idea why I picked this up, but I just thought it was really nice. It's like a cropped, soft jean looking jacket, and I just really like it. It has gold buttons on it. I picked this up in a size extra small. It was $29.95. I think I got it for like $9.95. Definitely didn't pay more than a tenner for this. Really soft material. It looks like a jean jacket, like I said, but it's that soft material. I thought this would be really nice over like work pants or with like a crop top and jeans, just because it's that dark color. It has 2 big pockets at the front as well, and I don't think I have anything like that in my wardrobe. I next picked up this leopard print skirt, which is not really kind of my style. I don't really know why I went for leopard print, but it just, I don't know. You know when something is kind of like calling to you, and it just was. I got this again in an extra small. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I think it was around $7.95 or $9.95. Again, it wasn't more than a tenner, and I just really liked it. I even thought that would be nice with this jacket maybe with, you know, like a cream top or a white top, and then that little jacket with this and tights and boots. I just thought it would be nice. And then again, you could wear this in the winter time, maybe like a big fluffy jumper with it. It's a really nice soft material as well. And you know, there's like loads of different ways to kind of style this. So I think I can wear this to work and then also in day to day, which is kind of what I was aiming for. I really like the feel of that skirt. You may or may not know this, but I've been binge watching The Hills all over again, and I'm watching the Whitney and her husband Timmy react to them. It's so like just so fun. But anyway, there's like a scene where Lauren meets up with Holly and she's wearing this like red shirt, and I was on Zara and I was like, oh my god, that shirt is so similar to the one that she wore in that scene. And I swear I had a shirt like this years and years ago, but for whatever reason I just really wanted a nice red shirt, and I think it was just from that Hill scene. I don't know why. This was originally $49.95, and I'll actually get it up on my app how much I paid for this, because I think I only paid like €12, which is such a good deal. It was originally $49.99. I paid $12.99 and I just thought it was so nice. So you guys probably are aware of the red shirt that I'm talking about. I got this in an extra small. I'm actually delighted I got that in an extra small, because that is nearly the same size as this pink flannel shirt that I got in a medium, which... that's kind of crazy. It's really oversized. The girls who get it, and the girls who don't. It's just such a really nice, iconic, like, red shirt. And when I saw it on the website, I was just thinking of that Hill scene. It's kind of a linen material. It's a little bit thicker than, like, a poplin shirt, so I feel like this is going to be kind of warm, and I actually think it's really nice office wear, but also casual wear. So that was, like, my thinking behind the whole purchase here, because I literally have no clothes to wear to an office setting. Like, nothing. And anything that I did have for like office wear when I was in the office is like just worn out, or it's really, really old. I decluttered a lot of it during the big pandemic declutter, so I really needed a new wardrobe for work. I don't remember picking this next item up, but obviously I did, and it is a leopard print dress. I got this in a size small and it looks really nice, but I think it might be a bit too big. Maybe not. I just feel like I don't think I could fill out the cups. My boobs have like shrunk. I was giving out about them like for so long, but like, oh, they're so big and I'm not used to them being that size, and now I feel like they've just shrunk down to nothing. There you go. And it looks really nice actually. I'm kind of glad that I did get it in the end. So this is what it looks like, and it has like this crisscross front on it, and then like two separate straps. There's a lot of straps going on here, but I suppose you could kind of like tuck them in if you don't want them. This is not really a top or a dress that you would wear a bra with, unless I got a strapless bra. I remember strapless bras. I don't think I've worn a strapless bra in forever. I really like the shape of it, and I like the kind of cinching on the side. It would be really nice to wear like with the black blazer. I don't think I'd be wearing this to work somehow, but I suppose you could wear it with tights and like a big black jumper over top, but obviously it's a little bit revealing. You would not be wearing something like that to work, especially not in an office. Don't, like I said, remember adding it to my basket, but here we are. The next thing I picked up was a pair of pants. These are really nice actually. They're high rise, but I really like these work pants from Zara. They're where I get most of my work pants. I picked these up in an extra small, and they're a suede type of material, so I'll see what the fit of them is like. I haven't worn work pants like this in a long time, and yeah, I don't know if these are even going to fit, but we'll see how we get on. I can always return them. These were originally $19.95, and I think I paid like €6 or €7 for these. I really like the pattern on it. It's check almost. They feel really warm, and they're just such a soft material. The second last thing I picked up was another skirt. I love this skirt. I'm actually so happy with this. It's a black skirt with little pink roses on it. I just love the shape of it. This was initially $25.95. Again, I think I paid about €6 or €7 for it. I like this style of skirt, and the material is really thick as well, so again, I probably will wear this with tights if I'm going into work. I even think you could wear, maybe there are two, yeah, you could wear like the red shirt tucked into it if you were going for that kind of vibe. I don't know, but I really like this, and I like the material on it. And then the final thing I picked up was another pair of these leggings. These are the high-rise ones again. They're from the same kind of range, but they're not as stretchy as the other pair. There's like no give in them whatsoever. And they are again another check pair. There's a little bit more white in them than the other pair, and they are more of a rougher material. They're not as soft as the other ones. There is a bit of stretch in the bum area, which is good, but like definitely not on the waist and not on the legs at all. No, they don't stretch at all. So I don't know if these are going to fit. Again, I picked these up in an extra small and we'll see what they're like on. So that is everything that I picked up from Zara. I'm just trying on the clothes. As you can see, this dress I actually really like. Problem is I don't have the boobs to fill it out, so I think going down a size will rectify the cup situation, and just the dress needs to be cinched in just a teeny bit. So I actually think this is a really nice dress for €12. Like, it's nothing like I've ever kind of owned or purchased before. I just thought it was kind of unusual. Unfortunately, I just don't have the boobs to fill it out, and also there's just a little bit of extra material here that I think it'll look better in the size down, just if you were going to get this. Also the straps are not adjustable, which kind of sucks, because I think that might solve some of the problems. Well, I'm definitely returning this. I don't like the fit of it. I'm not even going to show you it on because it just does not fit nice at all. So that will be going back, as well as this. As for everything else that I just tried on, I think I'm going to keep them all. I might size down in the flannel shirt because I think it's just a little bit oversized. Like I said, I got a medium. I just think maybe the next size down might just fit a little bit better. But everything else I really loved, and I particularly liked this crop jacket thing, and I love this leopard print skirt and the flowery skirt. Sorry, the lighting's really bad in the try on. It's just the weather is really bad today. It's so dark. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you want to see any more coming up, let me know and I will get to it. I'd love to know what you guys picked up in the Zara sales. I think this is a nice start to workwear. I would probably pick up a few more bits as I'm going along, but we'll see, like I said, if I'm even going to be in the office. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys!